Message box. The message box is a dialog box in Excel VBA you can use to inform the users of your program. Place a command button on your worksheet and add the following code lines. Message box. This is fun. When you click the command button, a message box will appear with the text in it. For a little more advanced message, first, enter a number into cell A1. Then change message box text as follows. Entered value is and operator range A1 value. Now click the command button again. We used AND operator to join two strings. Although range A1 value is not a string, it works here. If you want to start a new line in a message, use VB new line. Insert VB new line with AND operators. Click command button and see the result. Next video is about message box function. Thanks for listening.